don't know me, I'm Liana with Music Academy International Inc. And today it's our last part of the 7-part series on Clair de Lune by Debussy. We are together at measure number 66, pianissimo. It's saying dying away to the end, morendo jusqu'à la fin. That would be in French. If you didn't know, Claude Debussy always gave a lot of instructions what he wants you to do in his music, and he's very specific on triple piano like pianissimo, or just pianissimo or just piano. He is very particular on those nuances that he would like you to do it, and that's how his pieces are for eternity, I would say, from my point of view. But anyhow, welcome. You will have, I hope you did practice, and I hope you checked, or if not, please look into the description, as there will be links to the others, part 4 and 5 and 6, this is part 7, as I said. So, and do help grow the channel by like, share, and subscribe. And let's get started, because this is the last part. I'm gonna switch the camera with the top one so you can see my fingers and what I'm doing there. And let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I switched the camera. So we are at measure 66, and we're having a piano. So first of all, I'm gonna go with the rhythm. That actually, it's pretty straightforward. It's just 3 counts in a measure: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. Whole 3 counts: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's a little counting, not big deal. I hope you are very clear by now how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna try to make you pay attention of some stuff that is going on. So first of all, the bottom of the arpeggio, it's 3 counts. You cannot hold it for 3 counts because it's pretty long, so I don't think you have so big fingers to hold from here to here, but if you have, good for you. I don't. So this will be held in the pedal. But it's not only that you hold it in the pedal. I want you to give a little push. That means a little accent on the bottom: 1, 2 and 3 and definitely the right hand, do not give an accent here: 1 and 2 and 3 and, right? So do control the sound on the thumb to be smoothly: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. You see how I'm giving the accent on the pinky: 1 and 2 and 3 and especially on this one: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, so this is the fingering that I'm using: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, right? So I am doing even a crescendo on the left hand, not on those, nothing on this one, but here, yes, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, and start again: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, right? So control the thumb here: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, right? So you can see I'm pushing a little bit on the A flat. 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. And 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can do a little bit retardando, okay? So as you can see on the right hand, it needs to be accentuated, not accentuated, highlight the top, like I'm always saying this. 1, 2, 3, 1. This needs to sound a little louder. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear that? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One pedal here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Another pedal. 1, 2, 3. Hold the pedal. And another pedal to the end. Right? Practice this. The bottom, always catch the bottom for harmony support. Right hand on the A flat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Don't make accent. Make it smooth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you can do a beautiful arpeggiato. Some people, they're doing like that from, you know. Here, I think you can have a little bit of flexibility. I'm doing and delay a little bit the last one. So again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And back into the tempo. Even softer and very soft, extremely soft. You know, and let the sound disappear, right? So let me change the camera. Okay, so how did you like that? Yeah, it's an absolutely gorgeous part of this one. Yeah, it's so the moon, it's telling you we almost done, you know, so our talking, you know, our conversation is gone. And here there will be the waves, you know, the waves. And then here the moon is talking, yes. Now I gotta go. And then again. And then the moon is going, now I gotta go. And the last shine, you know, and maybe it could be an eclipse. And she's gone, disappear all the way down. Beautiful love story. Actually, tomorrow it's a full moon, so maybe I got inspired by this. I hope you did enjoy my whole series. Please check into all the others. Again, we're having many tutorials on this channel. It's a new channel I opened like 6 months ago to help grow the channel. Please like, share and subscribe, you know. And yes, do leave comments. How did you like it? If I'm talking too much or too little, or I'm playing too fast or too slow, how is for you? How do you practice this, and what is your progress? So leave me some comments so I will feel good. You will encourage me to do more videos. Again, thank you so much. I believe my next video is going to be on some Chopin nocturnes tips. What about that? Or maybe you'd like something else? Let me know. Thank you so much and see you in the next series.